Masarap. It's not salty. It tastes like peanut butter. Sa'yo, Yesha.
I love it because I love chocolate.
Oh, masarap nga. Parang pretzel sticks.
My guess is Germany.
China. Okay. O sige, simulan na natin. Welcome to another episode before the winter comes. Kasi nararamdaman na namin ang lamig. At ngayon ay magre-review ulit tayo ng treats. Okay? Baliktad. Ng treats. From trytreats.com, we will be exploring the world through snacks and through treats. And doon sa mga mag-order ng first order nyo, use promo code SOCDigitalMedia and you will get 15% off on your first order. Okay, kaya buksan na natin kung ano meron dito.
My son.
Bukas ay bilang dito. Knifey. This is our lucky knifey. Magulit ko lang ito. Ano nang ulat?
Oh my gosh!
Read it, please.
I know what it is.
Yeah.
This is different.
This is different. Croatia.
I knew it.
Oh, Croatia. So, just a little bit about Croatia. Welcome to Serbia and Croatia. Pakibasa? Kasi hindi dito mabasa dahil maliit ang mga
This
silos.
must cheese comes from Serbia and Croatia, located in South Asia. Again, this must cheese comes from Serbia and Croatia, located in Southeastern Europe. Croatia is adjacent to Adriatic.
Okay, hindi na tayo. So, we have smoky. Ano yan?
Oh,
What's that?
no. Mini cornet.
Parang corneto. Ano?
Mini cornet.
Pili ka. Basahin muna natin kung ano siya.
Tortita.
Prima. Saltas. Siguro ano to? Maalat. Kasi saltas. Oh, salted and baked sticks. Ay, ikaw magbasa. Oh. Basahin mo. Bilis.
New York Times Block.
Ano?
By Taco. New Block.
Block.
Mom, it's
Eh.
New York.
Bananco. Bananco. Western.
Kesten.
Okay. Ano to, ma'am? Pabasa nga, please. And thank you.
Animal Kingdom.
Ano yun?
Ay, Animal
Coco's
Kingdom. Oh.
dessert. Okay.
Cream mini corn.
So, pili na kami kung anong kakainin natin. Lagay na natin dyan yung treats. Ayun. So, pili namin.
Baka ang akin yung salta.
Salta sa'yo, ma'am.
Oo.
Ito. Sa akin itong Smokies. Wow! Original fresh Original fresh baked peanuts. Ayan.
Mine is crispy wafer laid with rich chocolate cream and coated in dark chocolate with its perfect balance of crunch and smoothness. This classic Croatian treat is a favorite among chocolate lovers.
Sa'yo, ma'am.
Mini cornet.
Uy, parang mini corneto yan. Try na natin itong fresh baked peanuts called Smoky.
Yes,
Masarap. It's not salty. It tastes like peanut butter. Sarap pa.
thank you.
How about that?
Sarap siya.
Ano ba yan? Yung cornet? Corneto?
You like
Chocolate and ano ba ito? White chocolate.
Ikaw, mami.
Maybe we can have chocolate.
A little bit
Mhm.
salty.
Okay. Pero okay naman, masarap.
Yes. Masarap.
Sa'yo, Yasha.
I love it because I love chocolate.
Try mo to, ang sarap. Sarap niyan.
Try mo din ito. Masarap.
So, try natin ito, ha. Ang galing. Para siyang mini cornetto, pero hindi siya frozen. So,
Wala ko peanut.
that is really good.
Miso. Peanut.
Nga. Peanut nga yan. Masarap ito.
No chocolate.
It's white chocolate and
No, this is
chocolate.
You want to
Ayun,
try
no?
this?
Masarap.
Oh my gosh, look! It's a monkey. Harry, it looks like you.
Masarap ito.
Maybe we're not.
Matamis-tamis. Hindi, matamis talaga siya. Kasi parang cornetto. Sarap nito. Tikman mo.
No,
Yes.
I'm gonna try this one.
Oh, which one?
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom?
Ari ay sea salt.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi
Oh.
salted. Tsaka may chocolate.
Ay, ito, masarap talaga to.
Lemon.
It's not that salty. Tastes like peanut butter. Ayan, no?
This
Try
is
mo.
broken.
Sarap.
Beautiful.
Masarap talaga lahat ng galing sa treats. Oh, promise. Kailangan nyo i-try talaga to. You will be able to try or explore the world in your own living room. Or kitchen pala to. Kitchen namin. Ayan. So, matatry mo yung mga kanilang authentic na mga snacks na pinagmamalaki ng kanilang bansa. Like this one is from Croatia. Ayos.
Mom, who's me?
Wala kang basta.
So hard to eat this.
Yung saltas.
Ito masarap.
Tikman natin.
Ay, hindi ko pa natakman.
Hindi ko pa. Ano ba to? Parang pretzel?
Palagi lang stick eh.
Oo. Saltas. Ayan, no?
Sarap nito.
Oo, masarap nga. Parang pretzel sticks. Yun na nga talaga yata ito. Kasi saltas. Ayun.
I love all of them.
Okay guys, again, thank you for joining us. Thank you for snacking with us.
Ganun ko.
Ikaw, Yasha, ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, try treats.
Okay. And abangan nyo ulit kami sa aming susunod na episode ng Try Treats. Again, thank you very much for our sponsor. Huwag po kayong magsasawa na magpadala sa amin ng treats. Ha? Para matry namin lahat ng mga masasarap na mga snacks from around the world. Alright, till next time, we'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye!
See you, bye-bye. Mommy said bye-bye.